BZFD Stock Friday. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see where is BuzzFeed stock going next. So this is how my technical analysis looks like. And just to give you context, I'm using my strategy system that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm saying it because it is the truth and I have nothing to sell you. So with BuzzFeed stock, I mean, I previously made some videos at the beginning in 2023, seems like it, right? Because we started to see some like random increases in price. You see that I had some lines right here. Um, the only way that I would probably position myself right here is if the price gave me some double breaks and whatnot. But that kind of never happened. The whole directional bias right here was wrong, so I'm going to put a fat L right here. Although I never got into some opportunities like this is a very wrong directional bias. Now going back into the current price action, this is why I say random pumps and dumps are going to happen, right? And most of the time, like when the price has been going up for a very long time, it's just going to continue to go. And this is just the reality. Now the high of this range is like right here. And the only way for me to be in a bullish range is the price breaks with a full candle close above there. We're going to see how tomorrow is going to close, but how the weekly candle is going to close tomorrow. But the idea is if it doesn't close above the point, then this is still a bearish range and we might still be expecting these $16 lows to get cleared. So what I'm going to do is just wait, right? This is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next video.